Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can easily add your Galaxy Buds4 Pro to your smartphone application. So this application is available only on the Android devices, not on iPhones. So at first let's start over here. As you can see, I'm not part of my earbuds and they are here in the available devices list. Tap them. Now you should see the thing that you need to log into your account, Samsung account, after the process of pairing. So sign into your Google account, not Google, Samsung account, and then after the process of signing in, you'll see this thing. If you want to know how to set up your application, install and set up with your earbuds completely, not only add, there is another video for it, so check it out. But let's start. Here you need to agree for the end user license agreement, and now here you have three optional things. Sending of diagnostic data, optional. You can read using this arrow what is here, what concludes the diagnostic data includes. Here, automatic updates to Galaxy Buds4 Pro, which I do recommend actually, and I agree to automatic updates for Galaxy Buds. Also, here tap agree, and now here we have some tutorial, and actually that's it. We are all set now. Goodbye and have a nice day.